Hello, Richard Wilson coming to you from downtown San Francisco. We're working right now on onboarding $300 million net worth clients. One going through an exit in 60 days, one that just had a $130 million exit in the last 3 months, and another one who's just not happy with their traditional wealth advisors helping them manage their wealth at $100 million net worth. And with all three clients, and every month, what I see working with clients who are setting up a family office or running one, or people that are very successful and doing 5, 10 million or much more in revenue in their companies, is they love speed. Money loves speed. You've probably heard that before. But if you're trying to earn somebody's business, and you're trying to earn their respect and add value to them, and they reach out for help, and you take 5 days to reply to an email and another week to get on the phone with them, the chances that they work with you probably just got reduced by 33%. In some cases, you're out of the running, because just like the client this morning, they texted me this morning. I texted them back, jumped on the phone 8 minutes later with them. We had a great call, introduced them to one of our family office partners that could help manage the exit of their transaction to save them on capital gains taxes, help reward the brother for helping build the business that has no equity in the business, but he wants his brother rewarded, and manage the whole trust, tax structure, tax efficiency planning, and just the structure around the transaction overall, and what their multifamily office or virtual family office solution is going to be in the end. So able to get him answers on that the same day shows him like, hey, we're here not only to earn your business, but to serve you. And this is how we treat all of our clients, as if your matters are important. You're trying to get something figured out that's critical, and you're worth $20 million, $50 million, $100 million. You don't want to wait a week to figure it out. We've all emailed attorneys, not heard back for a week, get a half answer in 3 sentences, and it's just annoying, and nobody wants to work with people like that. The other example is the $100 million family who's not happy with their other solutions. They emailed me while I was working over Labor Day weekend. I usually work from like 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. till my kids are awake at 7 or 8 a.m. The email came in at like 5 a.m. On a Sunday, on a holiday weekend. I replied back 4 minutes later. He replied back again. We set up a call for 1 hour later. We jumped on the phone, and now we have a lay of the land of what he's looking for, what he needs. So we've suggested 4 ways to help him construct and manage and run his virtual family office. So the whole point here is to be quick to help, be quick to add value. Centimillionaires love speed, not just money. Ultra successful business owners love speed. And while that may seem obvious, what that means is probably something you could dial in faster. How can you be faster to help, faster to add value, and jump on something in real time and free yourself up so that you can do that at the top levels of your company for your top clients? I hope you get value from this. If you want to learn more about how we run and set up family offices, please go to virtualfamilyoffices.com or shoot me a text message at 305-333-1155. Thank you.
Join the Family Office Club by visiting familyoffices.com. We look forward to seeing you at our next live event.